We just wanted to show you some of our December favorites.
First off, it's citrus season.
This is our Meyer lemon plant. Here in Austin, we do recommend keeping your citrus in pots, especially with the last few winters we've been having. You're definitely going to want to protect them. The citrus, they have wonderful smelling blooms. If you've ever smelled the flowers, you know. They can take full sun, and they are going to want regular water.
Yeah, they also like some pretty good draining soil. This here is our Meyer lemon, so it's a sweeter lemon, which is really good. We also have limes. You can do satsumas, oranges, blood oranges. So there's a really wide variety in citrus, but they're all so good. And December is the time for them to be ripening, so be on the lookout for those. So this here is the Salvia greggii in the color coral. So these are a fantastic plant because they're a Texas native, they're drought tolerant, they can take full sun to partial sun, they like well draining soil, and they get about 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. But they are definitely one of our top favorite picks for hummingbirds, and all sorts of little pollinators that you're going to find around here. The color is also fantastic, especially in the autumn, which is another name for them called autumn sage.
This is our Salvia Mystic Spires. It can get about 3 by 3 feet tall and wide. The bees and butterflies love it. So do we, obviously. It has a beautiful color, and it's going to bloom spring through fall. Full sun to part sun, regular water. And yeah, this one is a great one. So those are our December favorites. If you have one, feel free to comment down below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe on our videos so you can keep up with our new content. Thank you.
Bye.